Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on activity status on TikTok. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps, and after this, in here you just click on the profile icon at the bottom. And then in here you just click on the three lights icon at the top. And after this, in here you just click on the setting and privacy. And then in here just click on the privacy, and after this in here you can click this one for turn on activity status like this, and after this you can go back and your privacy and your activity status is turned on like this and finish. So that's how to turn on activity status on TikTok. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.